Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use AI generator on Canva. Yes, you can use AI image generator on Canva. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select profile, then search Canva. Now you can search on Google Canva or directly open this website by typing canva.com. After uh, logging into the page, you have to log in with your account, your Canva account. Now as you can see here, and this is an AI feature. Just type make an image. Okay, make an image. A boy playing baseball in field. Now you can add features by adding comma and type ambient environment, comma sunny day. It by adding comma you adding features to your prompt. Okay. Now after writing up your prompt, you have to click on create a thumbnail with AI, or you can press enter key. Now it will use your prompt to generate an image. As you can see here, my prompt is working in Canva AI generator. It will take a few seconds to generate an image. Now you can see it have gave me 4 images, and it's pretty much accurate according to my prompt. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to use Canva.com and its new feature. It's cool, it's really cool. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.